Assalamu alaikum, I am Alina and you are watching ARY News. Here are today's news updates.
Gold silver prices see another biggest single day drop in Pakistan in line with a steep fall in the international bullion market. The price of 24-carat gold per tola dropped by 25,500 rupees to 511,862 rupees. Silver prices also recorded a significant decrease. The price of 24-carat silver per tola declined by 2,063 rupees to 9,006 rupees. Pakistan won by 90 runs against Australia to seal T20I series. Pakistan delivered a ruthless all-round performance, completely outclassing the Australian side in the second T20I. With this win, Pakistan has taken an unassailable 2-0 lead in the three-match series. Ice Cool Rybakina defeated Sabalenka in a tense Australian Open final. Elena Rybakina took revenge over world number 1 Aryna Sabalenka to win a nail-biting Australian Open final on Saturday and clinch her second Grand Slam title. Iran Army Chief warns US-Israel against attack, says forces on high alert. Iranian Army Chief Amir Hatami on Saturday warned the United States and Israel against an attack, saying his country's forces were on high alert following Washington's heavy military deployments in the Gulf. The executive director of the PIMS, Professor Dr. Rana Imran Sikandar, on Saturday confirmed that Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf founder was treated at PIMS. In a video statement, he said that PTI founder had recently complained of reduced vision in his right eye. National Aeronautics and Space Administration Perseverance rover has achieved a historic landmark by successfully navigating a Martian route planned by AI. The rover traveled about 400 meters through Jezero crater, following a path mapped specifically by Anthropic's Claude chatbot. This is the first time a large language model has piloted a car-sized robot. Australia fast bowler Pat Cummins was ruled out on Saturday for next month's 2020 World Cup after failing to recover from a nagging back injury, and Ben Dwarshuis will replace him for the global showpiece. Cummins played just one of the 5 Ashes tests against England. Pakistan scores key legal victory against India in Indus Waters Treaty dispute. The Permanent Court of Arbitration in The Hague has issued an order in the ongoing Indus Waters Treaty dispute requiring India to submit detailed operational records of its hydropower projects on Pakistani rivers. India has been directed to provide the operational logbooks for the Baglihar and Kishan Ganga projects by February 9th. Failure to comply will require India to formally explain its reasons to the tribunal. Iran's missile and defense capabilities will never be up for negotiation, its top diplomat Abbas Araghchi said on Friday after top-level talks in Istanbul. The foreign minister added that Iran is ready to resume nuclear talks with the United States on an equal footing. US to add 65,000 seasonal guest worker visas for 2026. President Donald Trump's administration will add some 65,000 H-2B seasonal guest worker visas through September 30th, a Federal Register notice said, saying the visas would be available to employers at risk of severe financial hardship due to a lack of US labor. Azhar Ali speaks out on Babar Smith BBL controversy. Former Pakistan captain Azhar Ali has shared his views on the controversy involving Babar Azam and Steve Smith during a BBL match, stating that better communication was needed and that he personally would not have accepted such behavior. The tense moment occurred at the Sydney Cricket Ground during a match between the Sydney Sixers and Sydney Thunder.
That's all for now. For more updates, visit arynews.tv. Thank you for watching ARY News.